We're here today at the IET headquarters in Savoy Place in London to celebrate another, I think it's the 6th year of the Industrial Cadets, and most importantly from our point of view, we are the headline sponsor here, the GFG Alliance and the GFG Foundation. I think it's a great honour that Sanjeev Gupta, who is our principal, has been appointed by His Royal Highness as an ambassador today. I think it reflects two things. One, that there is a recognition of what the GFG Alliance is doing in the UK. And more importantly, I think it's a recognition that Sanjeev has understood the skills gap. Sanjeev wants to address the skills gap, and he is willing to take on that responsibility.
In the past year, working with the Industrial Cadets has allowed us to understand the real issues at the local level. The Engineering Development Trust that runs the Cadets have that knowledge and that infrastructure, the relationships with the schools, the relationships with other businesses. So it's allowed us to really get a foot on the ground in the places where young people need to be reskilled and have an interest in engineering.
The reason that Mr. Gupta is not here himself is that he's in Australia. We have acquired and are operating a very exciting new business in Australia, initially steel, and we have 150 distribution sites across Australia. I hope we will be able to work with the Industrial Cadets to launch a more international program for the Industrial Cadets.
In his absence, I must also pay a particular tribute to Sanjeev Gupta, the founder and wonderfully generous Chief Executive of Liberty House Group, for so generously sponsoring today's award ceremony. Sanjeev is doing so much to apply real imagination, innovative thinking, and sustainable rejuvenation to our nation's heavy industries. I am thrilled that he, through his GFG Alliance, has so enthusiastically become involved with Industrial Cadets as well.
We are proud of what Sanjeev has achieved, and we are very proud of him, and we are very grateful what His Excellency the Prince has talked about him today. We are very happy.
This scheme means a lot to Sanjeev and to our family because we would like to give back what we have got. We have been very fortunate. We would like to give others a chance to grow and rise and to fulfill their dreams.
We have a long thought out plan for industry. We have a long thought out plan for energy and for finance and for real estate in all of the various entities of the GFG Alliance. What we have done over the past year is expand that plan outside of the UK. We want to bring the Industrial Cadet Programme with us. We want to launch the Industrial Cadet Programme in Australia, and we've been honoured today that the Industrial Cadet Programme want to work with us in doing that. We have about 7,000 direct employees. We will have about 23,000 direct and indirect people working within the GFG Alliance in Australia. And I think that's a great base, a great launch pad for both the GFG Foundation and the Industrial Cadet Programme.